My important case, I will tell you, an EDM festival in 2013 was permitted for an amount of 2,40,000. This very complainant and myself have filed writ petitions in the High Court, challenging all this. Under what criteria did you charge 2,40,000? Where is the procedure? In the following year, after the writ petition was filed, the Komnidar decided to charge 18 lakhs. The very following year. 2,40,000 in the previous year, next 18 lakhs was charged. So is this not a fraud? And is this not being covered up by the Revenue Minister? The Collector North District, no proposal was, this is under RTR, and this is all attached to the, and then now finally a case has been filed before the JMFC. And when the 18 lakhs reached the collector, it is the collector or Secretary Revenue, I would say, why not rupees 25 lakhs? Why 18 lakhs? Is the noting here? And the Deputy Chief Minister, I am saying, because the file has gone to Deputy Chief Minister, and the Deputy Chief Minister lays down a principle of dividing and binding what nobody can understand. Cases were registered, and I am sure if this case is investigated, the investigating officer is bound to reach the doors of the Deputy Chief Minister's house. There is no other alternative because all documents are placed on record before the complaint. The collector is making a statement, why not 25 lakhs, why 18 lakhs? The Revenue Secretary, sorry. These are serious charges. And yet nothing is happening. Now the person has gone to the JMFC. People are beginning to lose faith in judiciary. The way it is dragging its feet. I challenge this government, if they are interested in zero level tolerance corruption, to have fast track courts to decide these matters one way or the other. Let them say this complaint is bogus. Only fast track courts where all elected representative matters should be heard.